Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable NVIDIA Broadcast noise removal for clear microphone audio, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your NVIDIA Broadcast application. Ensure your NVIDIA graphics card drivers are up to date. Connect your microphone to your computer. Select the microphone option in the NVIDIA Broadcast interface. Choose your microphone from the drop-down menu. Locate the noise removal section within the microphone settings. Toggle the noise removal switch to on. You will see a slider that adjusts the strength of the noise removal effect. Adjust the slider according to your preference. Test your microphone to hear the noise removal effect in action. You can do this by speaking into the microphone. Listen for background noise like fans or keyboard clicks being minimized. If needed, make further adjustments to the slider for optimal sound quality. Ensure other audio settings are configured correctly for your streaming or recording software. Close the NVIDIA Broadcast application after making your adjustments. Your settings will be saved automatically. Open your preferred streaming or recording software. In the audio settings, select NVIDIA Broadcast as your microphone input. Start your recording or live stream to enjoy clear microphone audio. Monitor your audio levels to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.